So the client brought this unit to us and told us that they've used the smartphone in the kitchen, and during that usage in that very hot environment, the glue or adhesive on the frame melted, the display came off, and after that the touch functionality was lost, so you can't really interact with the smartphone. And our theory is that the display itself got damaged with the heat that has been exposed to. You can see there, this is the replacement display, and you can see that some of the tape on the old display has been quite crinkly, maybe because of the heat from the kitchen.